Welcome to the third week of English 102 summer semester. This week we will be prepping for the rough draft. To begin this week, please read the assigned chapters from The Curious Researcher. You have a few assignments due this week leading up to the rough draft. The first assignment is a journal on finding the significance. You will complete exercise 4.1 in The Curious Researcher, and your goal is to figure out the significance of your essay. What point are you making, and why should your reader care? This is a pretty fun assignment, and I hope you enjoy it. This week you also have two discussions. I encourage you to do the journal first and then complete your initial post for the discussion. The first discussion is on finding a lead to your essay, and you will complete exercise 4.3 in The Curious Researcher. You will only be posting step 1 for your initial post. You will create 3 leads or introductions to your essay. Make sure you label them so the readers can see where each one starts and ends. And also be sure to respond to at least 2 other students' posts this week. And you can comment in your responses on which lead you like best and why. The second discussion is on sharpening your thesis, and you will do exercise 4.2 in The Curious Researcher. You will write a paragraph to remind the readers of your topic, question, and current understanding of your thesis. Bear in mind that a thesis often changes as you move through your essay too. This discussion also requires that you comment to at least 1 other student, so try asking questions to clarify any points you don't understand. At the end of this week, you will complete the first draft of your Unit 1 essay and will submit it to a group blog for peer review. Please make sure you submit your essay on time so that the other students in your group have time to review your essay and provide you with feedback. And also so you have time to review others' essays as well. For the peer reviews, you will go to your group blog and read the other students' essays. You will use the comment feature in the blog to respond to the other students. Be positive and offer constructive criticism. Telling someone their essay is really good is nice, but not helpful in revision. Try to focus on the ideas, structure, and citations. In your comments, please answer the questions listed in the assignment. After reading the draft, what would you say is the main question the paper is trying to answer or focus on? In your own words, what is the main point of the essay? What did you learn about the topic after reading the paper that you didn't fully appreciate before you read it? Is this something you find significant or interesting? If so, why? At what points in the essay did you have questions or experience confusion? Be specific in your answer and offer suggestions for improvement. What was your favorite part of the essay and why? Comment on the use of sources in the essay. Did the writer rely too heavily on outside sources? Should the writer have used more sources? Should the writer have used more reliable sources? Could the integration and citation of sources been stronger at any point in the essay? Are there any other questions or comments you have for the writer? These peer reviews work best when everyone participates. If you find yourself in a group that is not participating, please let me know and I will consider moving you. Now let me show you how to actually access your peer review blogs. I have randomly placed you in groups. These groups will show in the left sidebar of the course under My Groups. You can access your group blog by clicking on your group name, or you can access it by clicking on the assignment name. Once you are in the group, click on Group Blog. To post your rough draft, you will click on Create Blog Entry. After you have posted your draft, either through an attachment or by copying and pasting in the text box, click Post Entry. To make comments on other students' blogs, you will click on Comment on the student's post you are reviewing. So this concludes week 3. I look forward to reading your final drafts next week.